Tech-Talent Lab presents Knowledge Pills of Research Methodology. Today, we are going to deal with the question, why should we need to review the literature? Reading academic literature allows us to know what is happening in our field of knowledge and, of course, with our research topic. So, it helps us to highlight the relevance of our research problem and to identify the possible research gaps. One of the pillars of academic research is that new research is based on previous knowledge and results. Where can we find this knowledge and results? In publications, within academic journals, in PhD theses, in scientific handbooks and monographs, and also sometimes in working papers and proceedings for academic conferences. Basically, we rely on publications in academic peer-reviewed journals to create our research knowledge base. So, where we should look for these manuscripts? There are thousands of academic journals and hundreds of thousands of papers in each journal. Since we do not have enough time to go to each journal and search for the papers we need in each of them, we use some specific databases. The most common ones are Scopus by Elsevier and the Web of Science by Clarivate Analytics. These two are the most used ones in bibliometric studies, since they include the most prestigious academic journals. Some other interesting databases are the Directory of Open Access Journals and Google Scholar. In these databases, we are going to be able to retrieve hundreds of publications. But how can we evaluate the relevance of these documents? In short, which ones are the most important ones? If you are a newcomer in a field, you need to filter somehow the publications. As we said before, we don't have enough time to deal with all of them. So we use quality as a proxy. And quality regarding a publication is usually approached as the number of citations it has. So, the more citations by other researchers, the more relevant the paper is considered to be. Quality regarding academic journals is usually approached as the impact factor the journal has. But what is the impact factor of a journal? The yearly average number of times that other publications have cited research papers of this journal. You can find more information about this topic at the book Fundamentals of Research Methodology.